Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove unnecessary rows from your data dump. As you can see on my screen, I have this sample dump which has name, age, city, email and the status of the particular person. So you can see there are rows which are empty, like 3, 6, 7. So if you want to delete a single row, you just need to do take a right click on particular row and then delete a row. There is another option called edit, and first you need to select the row and then go to edit and then delete. It reflects the row number, then you can delete the row. Let's say you have multiple rows which you want to delete, then press Ctrl and select all the rows which you want to delete and then take a right click. Oops. So let's try again. So select all the rows which you want to delete and then take a right click. Now you can see it says, rather than it says particular row, it says selected rows delete. So you can delete all of them. Also you go to edit option, go to delete, and also it reflects as selected rows. But what if you have so many blank rows in your dump? So each one of them you cannot select and delete, which is a time taking process. So if you want to delete those unnecessary rows, so select the dump. This is a third method. So select the filter, create filter view. So now the filter view is enabled. Now select any column and then remove everything, select only the blanks. Now you can see the third row and the other rows are highlighted. Take a right click, delete selected rows. Now remove the filter. So any other blank row in your dump will be deleted. So in this way, within seconds you can delete the blank rows. Similarly, if you want to delete any unnecessary row, like the rows are already there but you don't want particular rows in your dump, let's say here I have name, age, city, email and the status. You don't want to have inactive people in your dump. So for that you need to do is, first let's sort this data so it looks nice. So now again I'll apply the same thing, filter, I'll select only the inactive people. So there are 2 inactive persons in this dump which are unnecessary. Take a right click and delete selected rows. Now your dump is completely cleaned up and you can see there are only active people are available. There are no unnecessary rows. Also there are no blank rows. So as I said, if you want to delete particular row, select that row and take a right click, delete. If you want to delete multiple rows, select control and press control and select multiple rows and then take a right click, and it gives you from which range it is deleting. Also similarly, go to edit option, select delete, and then also from here you can delete. So there is a filter option. By applying this you can delete multiple rows or unnecessary rows. So this is how you can delete unnecessary data from your dump. So hope this helps.